Hello student, this is the class of national income and related aggregates and estimation of national income, the basics of estimation of national income. Actually, there are 8 aggregates of national income: GDP MP, GNP MP, NDP MP, NNP MP, GDP FC, GNP FC, NDP FC and NNP FC. This one is national income and this one domestic income. First, we have to know about how to remember all the full form of it. GDP-MP means gross domestic product at market price. GNP-MP gross national product at market price. NDP-MP net domestic product at market price. NNP-MP net national product at market price. GDP-MP gross domestic product at factor cost. GNP-FC gross national product at factor cost. NDP-FC net domestic product at factor cost, and finally NNP-FC net national product at factor cost. How to remember all the full form? Very easy. First letter either G or N. G for gross and N for net for all. G for gross and N for net. Second, either D or N. Second letter is either D or N. D for domestic, N for national. D for domestic, N for national. Third one, P. P for product for all. And last, either MP or FC. MP for market price and FC for factor cost. MP for market price and FC for factor cost. Now we can easily write all the full form like that. GDP MP. G for gross, D for domestic product, P for product, and at market price. It means, my dear student, we can write all the full form like this. GNP MP. G for gross, N for national, P for product and MP for market price. We can write all the things. Okay, very easy. Now, estimation of national income. We know about all the things, all the aggregates are related to national income, but one things can easily change into the last 7, same as second things can easily change rest 7, third one can easily change rest 7. For the changing, one formula is there. It means for 8, for 7 time for changing, 7 into 8, 56 formula is there. But my dear student, it is the very easy to create a formula with the help of 3 things: depreciation, NFI and NIT. Very clear and very easy. With the help of depreciation, we can change gross to net and net to gross. It is very easy. With the help of NFI, we can change domestic to national and national to domestic. And with the help of NIT, we can change market price to factor cost and factor cost to market price. Now, it means you can create the formula with the help of only three things. You can create 56 formulas. So it is very easy. How? With the help of depreciation, with the help of NFI, with the help of NIT. First, with the help of depreciation. What is depreciation? Depreciation is depreciating, decreasing value of fixed assets. We have to know which is the larger. Gross is the larger from net and net is the smaller than gross. So that depreciation is equal to gross minus net. Gross minus net. And the same as the gross is equal to net minus depreciation. And because gross is larger than net, net is smaller than gross, so that net plus depreciation is equal to net plus depreciation is equal to gross, and net is equal to gross minus depreciation. Gross is larger than net, so that gross minus depreciation is equal to net, and net is smaller than, so that net plus depreciation is equal to gross. Very easy. Now NFI. What is NFI? Net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad. It means it is the factor income earned by normal residents of a country from the rest of the world. But the net factor income from abroad. What is the meaning of net factor income from abroad? Net factor income from abroad means the factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Factor income from abroad means the factor income earned by normal residents from rest of the world or abroad, and factor income to abroad means the factor income earned by non-residents of a country, from domestic territory or from India, or it is known as to abroad. So that the factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad is known as net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad. Sometime in the question, net factor income to abroad may be mentioned. That time we can act in the national or domestic. In that time, national is smaller than domestic and domestic is larger than national. But normally NFI means net factor income from abroad. Same time we estimate national is larger than domestic and domestic is smaller than national. That's why the NFI is equal to national minus domestic. National minus domestic. So that national is equal to domestic plus NFI and same as domestic is equal to national minus NFI. It means normally domestic is smaller than national, so that domestic is equal to national minus NFI, and national is larger than domestic, so that national is equal to domestic plus NFI. Normally, if in the questions NFI is in two concept and FIA, net factor income from abroad, in the place of net factor income from abroad, net factor income to abroad, that time we easily convert into domestic as a larger and national is smaller. That situation, because this is the topic of net factor income to abroad, which is net factor income to abroad is equal to factor income to abroad minus factor income from abroad. Now last, NIT. NIT means net indirect tax. NIT, net indirect tax. Net indirect tax is equal to the difference between IT minus subsidy. IT minus subsidy. IT means indirect tax. Indirect tax which paid by the people to the government indirectly, and subsidy which is a monetary concession provided by the government to the people. IT minus subsidy is equal to net indirect tax. Net indirect tax is equal to market price minus factor cost. Market price always be larger than factor cost. Market price, normally market price is larger than factor cost, so that NIT is equal to market price minus factor cost, and market price is equal to factor cost plus NIT, and factor cost is equal to market price minus NIT, because market price is larger than factor cost, so that market price is equal to factor cost plus NIT, and factor cost is smaller than market price, so that factor cost is equal to market price minus NIT. With the help of these three, depreciation and NFI and NIT, these three help converting into all the related aggregates which in other form, which is converting into rest of the form very easily. How to converting? Again, remember that normally gross is larger than net, net is smaller than gross. Second, domestic is smaller than national, national is larger than domestic normally. Or finally, last, market price is larger than factor cost, and factor cost is smaller than market price. For the changing of first letter, we can use depreciation. For the second letter, NFI, and last NIT. How to converting? We have to convert or estimate GDP MP with the help of GNP MP. GNP MP. GNP MP. G and G, left hand side and right hand side, there is no change for first letter. D and N, left hand side D, right hand side N. D for domestic and for national. Normally national is larger than domestic, show that minus NFI, NFIA. A formula is created, GDP MP is equal to GNP MP minus NFIA. Okay. Next, suppose we have to calculate GDP MP with the help of NDP MP. NDP MP. First G and N, left hand side G, right hand side N. N for national, N for net. Net, so that plus depreciation, because net is smaller than gross. Second letter D and D same. Third P and P same. Last MP and MP same. Second formula is created. Same as we have to calculate NNPFC, which is national income, with the help of GDP MP. GDP MP. How calculate? G in right hand side, left hand side N, G and N for net, G for gross. For gross is larger than net, so minus depreciation. Second, N for national, D for domestic. D for domestic, N for national. Domestic is smaller than national, so that plus NFIA. And last, FC and MP. MP is larger than FC, so that minus NIT. It is a formula created. 1, 2, 3. You can easily create 56 formula, which is the basic of national income. When you can create easily 56, then you start the estimation of national income. Then you can easily estimate the national income with the help of another formulas. Okay, now you create 56 formula. Okay, thank you.